Are you ready for another adventure? Welcome to Ireland, a land of mystic beauty and ancient history. Today, we embark on a journey to two of the country's most breathtaking and historically rich sites, the Rock of Cashel and the Rock of Dunamase. Stay with us as we explore the legends, the architecture, and the stories that make these rocks a must-see on any traveler's list. You won't want to miss the tales that have shaped these majestic landmarks. The Rock of Cashel is one of Ireland's most visited attractions. Perched high on a limestone hill, it was the traditional seat of the kings of Munster since the kingship was founded around the 5th century, prior to the Norman invasion in 1169. It is not entirely clear who is responsible for the initial construction of the cathedral, but most agree that it was likely Marianus O'Brien, who served as Archbishop of Cashel from 1223 to 1237. It likely replaced an earlier cathedral built around 1169 by Donal Mór O'Brien, the King of Thomond. The history of the site stretches back over 1,500 years, and it was very important to the history of Ireland during that time. Legend has it that St. Patrick himself visited this site, converting King Angus to Christianity in the 5th century. Dating back to the 12th and 13th centuries, the buildings on the rock include a round tower, a high cross, and Cormac's Chapel, which is considered one of the finest examples of Hiberno-Romanesque architecture. The chapel's intricate carvings and unique frescoes are a testament to the artistry of medieval Ireland. The cathedral, built in the 13th century, dominates the site with its Gothic grandeur. Much like Cormac's Chapel, St. Patrick's Cathedral is a fantastic example of a Gothic church. Construction of this cathedral began in 1135, and it is believed there had been another cathedral there before. It was only completed in 1280 during the time of Archbishop David McCarville. The tombstones we see inside were moved there after the church was abandoned. In the chancel, you will also find the wall tombs of two archbishops, Mile McGrath, and his successor, Malcolm Hamilton. Interesting fact, a pre-existing stone well, about 8 meters deep, was incorporated in the cathedral. It is the only visible sign of the previous structures from 1101. Thanks to the site's standing stone for this tidbit of knowledge. The Rock of Cashel not only offers a glimpse into Ireland's past but also provides stunning views of the lush countryside. It's easy to see why this location was chosen for its strategic and symbolic significance. Next, we travel to County Laois, where the Rock of Dunamase stands proudly. Though less known than the Rock of Cashel, Dunamase holds its own unique place in Irish history. The Rock of Dunamase was originally a stronghold of the O'More clan since at least the 9th century, and it played a significant role during the Norman invasion. The structures we see today are Anglo-Norman, dating back to the 12th and 13th centuries. It seems the site was abandoned from the 9th to the 12th century. The rock's strategic location made it a key defensive site, overseeing the surrounding plains. After the death of the King of Leinster, Diarmaid mac Murchada, Richard de Clare, or Strongbow, inherited the Kingdom of Leinster, and Dunamase along with it. Later, it became the property of the powerful Anglo-Norman de Lacy family. If these names sound familiar, it is because they were also involved in the stories of Carrickfergus Castle and Powerscourt. I will link those videos, in case you missed them. How the castle came to be destroyed is a matter of debate. One theory is that the castle was destroyed during the time of Oliver Cromwell, but there is no hard evidence to support this. There are signs of gunpowder and siege weapons in the walls. In the late 18th century, Sir John Parnell purchased the castle and attempted to restore the hall. He intended on using it as a banquet hall, so he brought in details from other ruins. You can find these scattered about the site. His son, Henry Parnell, allowed the castle to fall into its final decay, and in 1986 he transferred the castle to the state. Today, the ruins of the castle offer a glimpse into its turbulent history. The crumbling walls and archways tell stories of battles, sieges, and the ever-changing hands of power. The site's raw beauty and historical significance make it a fascinating place to explore. Both the Rock of Cashel and the Rock of Dunamay stand as monumental reminders of Ireland's rich and complex history. These sites not only offer a window into the past but also captivate the imagination of all who visit. Whether you're a history enthusiast, an architecture lover, or simply someone looking to experience the magic of Ireland, these rocks are a must-see. So next time you find yourself in the Emerald Isle, be sure to explore the legendary Rock of Cashel and the majestic Rock of Dunamay. Tell me down in the comments if you prefer Dunamay or Cashel and let me know if you have visited either. Share your stories, I do enjoy reading them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.